Hello and welcome to Exclusive Cricket. As I earlier said, the matches will begin in the month of June. So we are here and the remaining PSL matches will begin from 9th of June and the final will be played on 24th of June. So in this video, we are going to do a SWOT analysis of all the 6 PSL teams. So before we move forward, let's look at the points table. When we see the points table, we see Karachi Kings topping the table with 6 points. They played 5 games and won 3 and lost only 2. Number 2, Peshawar Zalmi. They played 5 games, won 3, lost 2 and they also have 6 points. Number 3, Islamabad United. They played only 4 games, won 3 and lost only 1. They also have 6 points. Number 4, Lahore Qalandars. They also played 4 games, won 3, lost 1 and they also have 6 points. Now we move to number 5, Multan Sultans. They played 5 games, won only 1 and they lost 4 games and then only have 2 points. Number 6, the struggling Quetta Gladiators. They played 5 games, won only 1 and they lost 4 games and they only have 2 points. In a few minutes, you are going to see strength, weakness, opportunities and threats of all the 6 PSL teams. So let's begin with Peshawar Zalmi. Peshawar Zalmi holding the 2nd position on the points table. Let's look at the full squad for Peshawar Zalmi. Wahab Riaz, Abrar Ahmed, Ahmad Bird, Bismillah Khan, David Miller, Fabian Allen, Fidel Edwards, Haider Ali, Imamullah, Kamran Akmal, Mohammad Amir Khan, Mohammad Irfan Senior, Mohammad Imran Randawa, Rahman Powell, Waqar Salam Kale, Sherfan Rutherford, Shoaib Malik and Humayt Asif. Let's see the Peshawar Zalmi SWOT analysis. Strengths: they have a lot of experience in the form of Shoaib Malik, Wahab Riaz and David Miller. They also have a good batting combination as well. Weakness: Peshawar Zalmi lacks a little bit of balance in the spinning department and they also lack power hitters lower down the order. Opportunities: a great opportunity for Haider Ali to create an impact. He can turn the table in favor of Peshawar Zalmi. He is a talented lad in Pakistan. Threats: some of the overseas players are partially available, so it could hurt the balance. David Miller may not be available for the entire PSL. Now we move forward to Lahore Qalandars. So just wait and see the SWOT analysis for quality Qalandars. Lahore Qalandar is holding the 4th position on the points table. Let's look at the full squad for Lahore Qalandars. Sohail Akhtar, Rashid Khan, Ahmad Danial, Ben Dunk, Callum Ferguson, Dilbar Hussain, Fakhar Zaman, Haris Rauf, James Faulkner, Mas Khan, Mohammad Faizan, Mohammad Hafiz, Salman Ali Agha, Prasanna Shahinshah Afridi, Sultan Ahmad, Tim David, Zaid Alam and Zishan Ashraf. Now we move forward for Lahore Qalandars SWOT analysis. Strengths: they are packed with international experience and they also have a lethal bowling attack as they have Rashid Khan, James Faulkner, Dilbar Hussain, Haris Rauf and they also have Shahinshah Afridi. Weakness: they lack one finisher lower down the order as who can finish the game at will and who can hit the sixes at will. Opportunities: new signing Callum Ferguson could prove to be a game changer for Lahore Qalandars. He could be a long-term prospect for Lahore Qalandars as he has a lot of experience in domestic cricket while playing for Sydney Thunder. Threats: psychological impact could hurt Lahore Qalandars courtesy of past records as they are yet to win a PSL title. Lahore Qalandars are looking in a very good shape. But see what will happen in the coming games. Now it's time to move forward to Multan Sultans. Multan Sultans holding the 5th position on the points table. Let's look at the full squad for Multan Sultan. Mohammad Rizwan, Hamad Azam, Imran Tahir, Imran Khan Senior, Johnson Charles, Khushdil Shah, Muhammad Umar, Obed McCoy, Rahmatullah Gurbaz, Riley Rozo, Shahnawaz Dani, Shan Masood, Shimran Hedmaya, Suhaib Maqsood, Suhaibullah, Suhail Khan, Suhail Tanveer, Usman Qadir and Muhammad Wasim. Let's move forward for Multan Sultan SWOT analysis. Strengths: a great domestic bunch of Pakistan international players and they also have a strong lower order as well. Weakness: top order is heavily dependent on Mohammad Rizwan. Opportunities: Usman Qadir and Shahnawaz Dani could turn out to be a trump card as the stage is set up for these two lads. Threats: Shimran Hetmyer may not be available for the entire PSL season, so this could hurt the balance of Multan Sultan. Does Multan Sultan has the firepower for the playoffs? Question mark. The time will tell. Now it's time to move forward for Islamabad United. Islamabad United holding the third position on the points table. Let's look at the full squad for Islamabad United. Shadab Khan, Ahmed Saifi Abdullah, Ali Khan, Akif Javed, Asif Ali, Colin Munro, Fawad Ahmed, Fahim Ashraf, Hassan Ali, Hussain Talat, Iftikhar Ahmed, Mohammad Wasim Jr., Mohammad Akhlaq, Musa Khan, Rohil Nazir, Usman Khwaja, Zafar Khan and Zishan Zamir. Now we move forward for Islamabad United SWOT analysis. Strengths: a deep batting lineup and a lot of 6 hitting players in the form of Asif Ali, Iftikhar Ahmed, Colin Munro and Fahim Ashraf as well. Weakness: lack of experience in the bowling department, as they don't have much experience in the bowling department. Opportunities: Usman Khwaja and Colin Munro has a chance to stamp the authority for the next season, as well as these two are talented players and they are looking to continue with Islamabad United. Threats: lack of experience in the squad could pose a threat, as they don't have much experience in the squad, so this could hurt the progress of Islamabad United. Islamabad United are looking very balanced as far as team combination is concerned. So now it's time to move forward and see the struggling Quetta Gladiators. Quetta Gladiators are holding the bottom position and they are at number 6. Now look at the full squad for Quetta Gladiators. Sarfaraz Ahmed, Abdul Nasir, Henry Russell, Anwar Ali, Alish Ali Khan, Azam Khan, Cameron Delport, Faf du Plessis, Hassan Khan, Jack Wilderberg, Jack Weatherald, Khurram Shehzad, Hasnain Nawaz, Saim Ayub, Usman Khan Shenwari, Zahid Mahmood and Zahir Khan. So now it's time to do Quetta Gladiators SWOT analysis. Strengths: they have a lot of variety in the bowling department and they also have a quality overseas batsman as well. Weakness: no quality overseas bowler who can nail yorkers in the death overs, and they also have a less experienced middle order. Opportunities: the two Australian Jack Wildermuth and Jack Weatherald will look to make an impact against odds as Quetta Gladiators is staring down the barrel. Threats: Andy Russell may leave early from PSL 2021. This could hurt the balance for Quetta Gladiators. Quetta Gladiators have a very minimal chance of qualifying into the playoffs, but still they are not out of the contentions. Now it's time to move forward and see the defending champions Karachi Kings. Karachi Kings, the defending champions and the table topper. Let's look at the full squad for Karachi Kings. Imad Wasim, Abbas Afridi, Amir Yamin, Arshad Iqbal, Babar Azam, Chadwick Bolton, Danish Aziz, Martin Guptill, Muhammad Amir, Muhammad Ilyas, Muhammad Haris, Disara Pereira, Zadran, Noor Ahmed, Qasim Akram, Shardil Khan, Waqas Maqsood and Zishan Malik. So now it's time to do the Karachi Kings SWOT analysis. Strengths: stable batting order, experience in both the batting and the bowling department. That's why they have won the title last season. Weakness: firepower is missing lower down the order. They lack a bit of a power hitter at number 7. Opportunities: Karachi Kings will look to defend the title and the Martin Guptill could be the X factor for Kings. Threats: Babar Azam strike rate could hurt Karachi Kings as he consumed too many deliveries, so it could hurt the balance of Karachi Kings and it could hurt the progress of Karachi Kings of winning the title again. So that's it for today. We have done all the 6 teams SWOT analysis. If you like the video, then please like it, share it, and one more thing, please subscribe Exclusive Cricket. We will meet in the next video super soon.